Open Bank Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how digital banking has transformed in 2025. Open Bank offers a fully online experience with innovative features, but is it the right fit for you? The surprising truth is global accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking banks require physical branches. Open Bank operates entirely online, letting you manage checking, savings and investment accounts from anywhere, even internationally. One major advantage is competitive rates. You won't believe what happens next when you see Open Bank offers high-yield savings and investment accounts that often outperform traditional banks. Their intuitive app also provides budgeting tools, real-time notifications, and seamless fund transfers. Open Bank supports multiple currencies, making it attractive for travelers and expatriates. Additionally, their customer service is responsive via chat, email, or phone, providing guidance whenever needed. However, there are cons. The lack of physical branches can be a challenge if you prefer face-to-face banking. Some users report occasional delays in processing international transfers, and advanced investment options are limited compared to specialized brokerages. In conclusion, Open Bank in 2025 is ideal for tech-savvy users who want flexible, high-yield, and globally accessible banking. While physical branch limitations and investment options are considerations, the convenience, competitive rates, and multi-currency support make it a strong choice for modern banking.